Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? Well, today we are doing our end of the year last time shopping at Target for 2020, and we are going to be getting some pet supplies. So, we've got some really great coupons that we're going to be using. So, we've got coupons for Purina. This to be on. Has to be on 3.15 pounds, 3.15 pounds. Save $2. So I'll only pay $1.99 for that bag of cat food. Can't beat that. Now the next one is 12 pounds or larger. So, okay. Well, these are all 16 pounds, but that's okay. Because the 16-pound bags are $10.99. So we'll just get these and let's see. Yeah, $10.99. So that's not bad at all. Getting these for Andrew since he took Stormy home with him. So I like to help out my son. And then we have this coupon. Get a gift card for $5 when you spend $25 or more, which is fine because I use the gift cards towards my next purchase. What'd you find, Mom? For the bunnies? Perfection. Hi, Mom. Love you. What?
I'm tired of her knocking the bowls out.
Yeah, and that'll stop her for sure.
You hear clang, clang, clang.
Yeah. All right. So, because of the coupon, I'm only paying $1.99 for the small bag. Yeah. And I get $3 off for this, so I'm only paying $7.99 for that bag. Yeah. Craziness, right? Okay, Purina Treats. This is their favorite. And then I got Stormy treats yesterday. I got him catnip treats. I did. So, let's see. Get like one more bag of treats. Those are the best treats, I'm telling you. The dogs love them. It takes Penelope, I want to say, like an hour to chew through one of those. So, yeah, they're really worth it. They really are. Any other? Yeah, they're really good. I'm serious. They really are. Yeah. All right. So the Purina coupon is done, so we'll get a $5 coupon for that, or gift card for that. And then I want to get some body wash, some deodorant, and some hand sanitizer. I got a coupon for Suave hand sanitizer. $2 off. I don't know if they'll have it here, but oh, should we get them some toys for Christmas?
You would last with
Get,
Stormy.
get him a Starbucks with gingerbread
Oh,
cookie.
jeez.
Penelope will have that torn up in 2 seconds.
Yeah, so it's Stormy.
You know what? Let me see. Ooh. 10% off of what? In-store online purchase, 10% off. Buy two, get a $5 gift card. I've never used Persil. Oh, it's on all of their laundry soap. Buy two, get a $5 gift card. Even though I use my own, I make my own laundry soap, I like to keep these as a backup. Plus, I give them to the kids to take home. I've never used Persil. I wonder. Well, $11.99 for 40 and $11.99 for 32. Let's go. I want to try Persil. Is that how you say it? Persil?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So let's get them, and I'll send Andrew and Madison home with one, and I'll keep one because I keep them as backups. Okay. So that's another $5 coupon that we'll be getting. I've got a 5-gallon bucket of homemade fabric softener. Sheets, though. Fabric softener sheets. Where's fabric softener sheets? Back up. Beep, beep, beep. Oh! I want to try this. This is what I want to try right here. Apparently, this stuff, pet hair and lint guard. Yeah. So we're going to be trying this out. Because, you remember Ron and Alexis, right?
Mm-hmm.
She bought it because she's got 4 German Shepherds.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, and she said she loves it. So I'm like, okay. So, I'm trying it. Where am I going? Okay. Body wash. Is this deodorant? No. Body wash, deodorant, and hand sanitizer. Where are you? Where are you?
Soap and body wash.
Where?
And deodorant.
Where am I?
Right here.
That's men's.
Well, it doesn't say. This is...
Ah.
Oh, right.
Okay, so Suave. Okay. Darn it. All right, now found that. I don't know where I'm going to be able to find the Suave. I don't know. They probably don't have it here. Maybe Walmart. Is that hand soap or is that hand sanitizer?
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer or soap?
Yeah, sanitizer. I don't see.
No, it's soap.
It says hand sanitizer.
Oh, that one, yeah. Fresh pine. Oh, I bet you that smells good.
It smells like a pine tree.
You know, what's the alcohol content in it, though? 62%. That's not bad. 10% off. $3.99. I don't know. I have a coupon. I want to use the coupon. Coffees are still on sale. I want to get the gingerbread, but it's buy two. I have so much coffee at home. But can you really ever have enough coffee? I don't think so. Oh, and I gotta look for, I hope I don't have to go to Starbucks. Oh Lord help me. The peppermint syrup for Sean's coffee. Nope, salted caramel, classic caramel, vanilla, French vanilla. I'm gonna have to go to Starbucks. I'm gonna see if I can get him a small bottle though, so he can take it to work with him, so he doesn't have to go to Starbucks to get the peppermint shot in his coffee. All right, that's all I need here. Yay! I think I'm walking out of here with paying less than $100. Oh my God. Is it possible? Hello. Clearance. Clearance on Jimmy's. I should bring him. Sean will eat the whole darn container of Jimmy's.
Yep.
Whoop. Good supply of jars. I don't need jars. I'm good on jars. I don't hoard jars like I've been accused of. All right. Well, that's all for this video. Have a great day, guys. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Keep prepping. Stay positive. Bye.